If you want to lower your blood sugar and cure type 2 diabetes, join my free marathon. Today is day 12 of our 30-day nutrition and lifestyle plan for type 2 diabetes. Today we have 3 new dishes: an omelette with eggplant and spinach for breakfast, chicken with broccoli for lunch, and beef with zucchini for dinner. And in the bonus block, we'll discuss glucomannan, a supplement that reduces appetite and helps with weight loss. Breakfast: omelette with eggplant and spinach before breakfast. Drink 1 glass of water. Then eat a salad made of cucumber and leafy greens. Today I recommend omelette with eggplant and spinach. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 100 units of eggplant, 1 handful of spinach, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Preparation: slice the eggplant and lightly saute. Add spinach, pour in beaten eggs, and cook for 5 minutes. Nutrition per serving: 280 kilocalories, 22 protein, 18 fat, 4 saturated, 6 carbohydrates, 3 fiber, 2 sugar. Common mistake: some people eat donuts in the morning. 1 serving may have up to 40 sugar and oil, leading to a sharp spike in blood sugar and lipids. Research in 2020 in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 140 patients showed that protein-rich breakfasts reduced HbA1c by 0.3 to 0.4 and increased satiety for 4 to 5 hours. Real-life case: in Poland, 200 patients who swapped sweet pastries for protein vegetable breakfast reduced HbA1c by 0.3 and lost around 2 kilograms in 3 months. Takeaway: omelette with eggplant and spinach keeps sugar stable and reduces hunger. If you don't have eggplant, substitute with zucchini. Lunch: chicken with broccoli and carrot. Before lunch, drink 1 glass of water, then eat a salad of tomato and parsley. Today, I recommend chicken stewed with broccoli and carrot. Ingredients: 200 chicken fillet, 100 broccoli, 50 carrot, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Preparation: cut the chicken, lightly saute, add vegetables, stew for 20 minutes. Nutrition per serving: 340 kilocalories, 36 protein, 14 fat, 3 saturated, 8 carbohydrates, 3 fiber, 2 sugar. Common mistake: some people eat dumplings at lunch. 1 serving can have up to 70 starch. That's like 14 teaspoons of sugar. Research in 2019 in nutrition, 200 patients with protein-based lunches reduced HbA1c by 0.5 and improved insulin resistance. Real-life case: in South Korea, 500 patients who switched flour-based lunches to protein saw HbA1c reduced by 0.4. Takeaway: chicken with broccoli and carrot is a lunch that stabilizes sugar and satisfies without excess carbs. If broccoli is not available, use cauliflower. Dinner: beef with zucchini and cauliflower. Before dinner, drink 1 glass of water, then eat a salad of arugula and radish. Today I recommend beef baked with zucchini and cauliflower. Ingredients: 200 lean beef, 100 zucchini, 100 cauliflower, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Preparation: slice meat and vegetables, bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Nutrition per serving: 360 kilocalories, 34 protein, 20 fat, 6 saturated, 9 carbohydrates, 3 fiber, 2 sugar. Common mistake: some eat ice cream at night. 1 serving may contain 35 sugar. That's 7 teaspoons. Research in 2020 in Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice, 220 patients showed that protein vegetable dinners reduced nighttime hyperglycemia by 25% and HbA1c by 0.3 to 0.4. Real-life case. In Japan, 400 patients eating protein dinners saw a 0.3 HbA1c reduction and fewer sugar spikes at night. Takeaway: beef with zucchini and cauliflower is a dinner that helps prevent nighttime hyperglycemia. If no cauliflower, use broccoli. Physical activity: digging with a shovel. Today, I want to talk about digging soil with a shovel as a form of exercise. Research. In 2018, Journal of Physical Activity and Health, digging burns 5 to 6 METs, or about 300 kilocalories in 30 minutes for an 80 kilogram person. In 2020, Preventive Medicine reports, garden work at least 150 minutes weekly lowered HbA1c by 0.3 to 0.4. In 2021, Public Health Nutrition, regular gardening improved insulin sensitivity and reduced diabetes risk. Recommendations: dig for 20 to 30 minutes, up to 300 kilocalories. Do this 3 to 4 times per week. Best done in the morning or evening. Takeaway: digging is a simple way to burn energy and reduce blood sugar. Bonus block: glucomannan. Glucomannan is a soluble fiber from the konjac root that reduces appetite and helps with weight loss. Why it helps? Increases stomach content thickness and delays emptying. Prolongs satiety. reduces calorie intake, lowers sugar and cholesterol levels, dosage 3 to 4 daily, split into 2 or 3 doses, take 30 minutes before meals with 1 glass of water, minimum course, 12 weeks, research. International Journal of Obesity, 2005. Patients lost 2 to 3 kilograms in 8 weeks, appetite dropped. Diabetes Care, 2008. Reduced HbA1c by 0.3 to 0.4 in 12 weeks, improved lipids. Nutrition, 2013. Meta-analysis confirmed glucomannan helps reduce weight and improve glycemic control. Practical tips: take only with enough water, combine with healthy diet and exercise. Good for people with diabetes and excess weight. Summary: glucomannan is a safe, effective supplement for controlling appetite and weight. Very helpful in type 2 diabetes. Final. That was day 12 of our journey. Today we cooked new dishes, discussed digging as exercise, and learned about glucomannan. Don't stop. Watch every episode in order. If you joined late, start from day 1. And share this video with someone who has diabetes or pre-diabetes. Tomorrow we'll bring a new day, new meals, and new knowledge. Subscribe and stay with us.